In this tutorial, we're going to take a look how you can add black bars to video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my video footage here, and with this video footage, I'm going to go to my project panel, and here I'm going to right click and choose new item, and then I'll choose a new adjustment layer. So basically the settings of this adjustment layer will match your project settings, so you can just click OK. And then I'm going to drag the project layer onto my project here. And the reason we use an adjustment layer is because an adjustment layer can be added on top of multiple clips. So you can add those black bars to all clips in your project with just one adjustment layer. And when you have your adjustment layer and you have matched it to the length of your sequence, we're going to go to Effects. And if Effects isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects. And here we're going to search for Crop. And when you have found Crop, you can drag it on top of your layer or just double click it when your adjustment layer is selected. And then when you've added it to the adjustment layer, in the Effect Controls window, which again, if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effect Controls. And then in the Effect Controls window, we're going to adjust the top and bottom crop here to around 10 or lower or higher, depending on the size of black bar you want to have. And as you can see now, there is a black bar added on top of our footage. And it's as simple as that. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.